These are truly exciting times for crypto space, and especially for Shiba Inu specifically. The new US president is wild. This is the most bullish time we've ever had. A huge bombshell from Shytoshi Kusama, and the entire Shiba supply on exchanges is getting ready for something big. But what is it? And what am I even talking about? Well, let me explain. Disclaimer. After the price of the Shiba Inu skyrocketed by over 80% in just a week, many people in the crypto world are asking the big question. What's next? And honestly, it's a fantastic question to ask. Right now, we're in a time of incredible energy and possibility in the crypto space. With the US recently welcoming a new president who seems to favor crypto innovation, the entire landscape feels more promising than ever. There's a sense that big changes could be coming, not just for Shiba Inu, but for the market as a whole. It's the perfect time to think about where this is all heading. And when I'm talking about big changes for the entire market, I really mean it. In a stunning development, it was revealed earlier today that President-elect Donald Trump is scheduled for a private meeting with Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong. According to sources familiar with the matter, the meeting will focus on crypto-related regulatory appointments in Trump's upcoming second term. For an industry craving clarity and progress, this could be a pivotal moment. The news didn't just send waves of excitement through the Shiba Inu community. It lit up the entire crypto space. And it's easy to see why. A conversation like this, between one of the most influential political figures and the CEO of a leading crypto platform, signals that crypto isn't just on the radar. It's becoming a top priority. People are now speculating about what this could mean: clearer regulations, stronger support for innovation, and maybe even a boost in legitimacy for cryptocurrencies like Shiba Inu. For Shiba Inu fans, this adds to the momentum. For the broader crypto world, it feels like a turning point is on the horizon. Exciting times are ahead, and everyone is watching closely. But speaking of Donald Trump, there's something even bigger happening in the crypto space right now. Trump media is reportedly in advanced talks to purchase the crypto trading platform Bakkt. Now, this is huge for several reasons. First, Bakkt only has 16 cryptocurrencies listed on its platform, and one of those is Shiba Inu. The significance of this can't be overstated. If Trump's media company moves forward with this acquisition, it could mean major exposure for Shiba Inu on a platform that could soon see a massive increase in users, especially with Trump's influence. Imagine the potential for Shiba Inu to be traded on a platform that's closely linked with a figure like Trump. No wonder people are already chanting Shiba to the moon, Trump to the moon, all over the internet. This could open up new markets, bring in fresh investment, and give Shiba Inu the kind of visibility that most cryptocurrencies only dream of. The fact that Shiba Inu is already listed on Bakkt puts it in prime position for what could be a game-changing moment in its history. This will bring the entire Bakkt Shiba Inu supply to the hands of a new owner. So, the situation is insane. But where will the market go from this point? Especially what's going to happen with Shiba Inu price now? Well, while no one can answer that question with certainty, because let's face it, the world of cryptocurrency is anything but predictable, we can still look for clues to help us navigate these chaotic waters. One of the most reliable indicators comes from tracking the actions of the largest whales. In the case of Shiba Inu, watching the whales has often been like getting a sneak peek at what might come next. Time and time again, their buying or selling patterns have helped people get a sense of where the market could be headed, giving them a chance to make smarter decisions. And here's where things get really interesting. Because this time, the whale metrics reveal something unexpected, something that doesn't make sense at first sight. According to on-chain data from Into the Block, the whales seem to be laying low. The inflows of Shiba Inu tokens into wallets holding at least 0.1% of the token supply have dropped significantly, by a massive 400 billion tokens, leaving the total at 1.51 trillion Shiba Inu over the past 24 hours. But it's not just the inflows. Outflows have slowed down too, decreasing by 210 billion tokens to 1.3 trillion Shiba Inu. What's fascinating is that the net flow remains positive, meaning whales are still accumulating more than they're selling. Yet, overall activity has clearly cooled down. Large transactions, those worth at least $100,000, have dropped by a third, down to $84 million in daily turnover, or about 3.4 trillion tokens. That's still much higher than before Shiba Inu's price surge earlier this month, but compared to the peak of the pump, volumes are deflating. The takeaway? Right now, Shiba Inu whales seem to be in a holding pattern, neither aggressively buying nor selling. So, despite all this Coinbase excitement, Shiba Inu's whale activity remains stable. It doesn't add up. With the market buzzing about the news of a potential Trump-Coinbase collaboration, you'd expect whales to be making bold moves. However, instead, they seem to be sitting tight. So why is that? One possibility is that the whales are simply preparing, waiting for these developments to unfold before acting. If you think about it, it makes sense. Whales don't just react, they strategize. They're likely watching the situation closely, calculating their next moves for maximum impact. And from this perspective, the stability in whale activity isn't a lack of interest, it's patience. They're staying ready to move fast the moment the picture becomes clearer. And when you see it that way, the calm starts to make perfect sense. The question now is, when will the storm hit? And how big will it be? But the storm might actually hit sooner than we expect. Something massive is about to change the game. Straight from Shytoshi Kusama himself, there's big news brewing. And trust me, you'll want to stick around for what's coming next. Shiba Inu's project lead, Shytoshi Kusama, has once again sent the Shiba Inu community into a frenzy with his cryptic tweets, sparking waves of speculation about what's next for the popular meme-inspired cryptocurrency. On November 16th, Kusama posted a short but electrifying tweet, LFGO. That single exclamation ignited excitement across the Shiba army, with many taking it as a signal that something big is on the way. The timing of the tweet couldn't have been more perfect. It came just as Shiba Inu surged over 13% that day, although the token has since corrected in price. But Kusama didn't stop there. He followed up with a second tweet, featuring an animated image from an anime and a mysterious message referencing the Star Wars universe. The tweet read, "If we lived in a galaxy far, far away, in a time long ago, all I could say right now is, the Force is with us." This instantly fueled speculation about a potential major partnership or groundbreaking project. When asked outright if this hinted at an internet-breaking announcement, Kusama gave a classic tease, replying, "I've learned to say less higher. I go up the chain of command." These statements have left the Shiba army eager for updates, with many hoping that the enigmatic hints signal transformative developments for the Shiba Inu ecosystem. But where does all this hope come from? Why is the Shiba army so confident? It's because this isn't the first time Kusama's cryptic hints have paved the way for massive news. Whether it's a new project, a big partnership, or an unexpected innovation, Kusama's track record has given the community every reason to believe that when he speaks or tweets, it's worth paying attention. The Shiba Inu army isn't just hoping. They're preparing for something that could transform the entire Shiba Inu ecosystem. And it seems like the big exchanges are already gearing up for what's coming. Just today, Crypto.com launched a new promotional campaign for Shiba Inu, offering free Shiba Inu tokens to users. This kind of move is no coincidence. It's a clear sign that something big potentially might be on the horizon for Shiba Inu. Here's why this matters. When an exchange runs a promotion like this, it's usually because they're trying to attract Shiba Inu investors to their platform. Why? Because they expect a wave of activity for Shiba Inu, whether it's a price surge, a new partnership, or some other major development. Exchanges make their money from transaction fees and activity, so when they see hype building around a specific cryptocurrency, they want as much of that action happening on their platform as possible. It's a smart strategy. By pulling in more Shiba Inu holders and traders now, they're positioning themselves to benefit when that activity explodes. And if exchanges like Crypto.com are already making moves like this, it's a pretty strong hint that they're expecting something big for Shiba Inu in the very near future. As expected, Crypto.com's new promotion has caught the attention of the broader Shiba Inu community. And even Shytoshi Kusama has chimed in, calling the move very interesting. While his words add an air of intrigue, they're also clearly aimed at spreading the word, encouraging more Shiba Inu holders to jump on board and engage with the campaign. Hearing this from Kusama only adds to the confidence surrounding Shiba Inu right now. His involvement signals that this promotion isn't just another marketing push. It's something aligned with the bigger picture for Shiba Inu's future. In one sentence, the atmosphere around Shiba Inu is electric, filled with excitement, curiosity, and the sense that something massive is just around the corner. But what is your opinion on this? Comment down below. If you are curious to find more, then make sure to click on one of the videos you see on the screen. And with that, we come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed the video, then turn on the notifications bell on this channel. Missing an important Shiba Inu update might make you lose money, so don't risk it. Also, please share this video with as many people as possible. Let's get this news out there.